Managing DVR storage on YouTube TV is simple because the service offers unlimited cloud DVR. However, organizing your recordings helps keep everything clean and easy to find. Here's how to manage your DVR effectively. Step 1. Open YouTube TV. Launch the YouTube TV app on your mobile device, smart TV, or computer. Make sure you're signed in. Step 2. Go to the Library tab. At the bottom or top of the screen, tap or click Library. This is where all your recorded programs, movies, and series are stored. Step 3. Remove recordings. To remove a recording from your DVR, select the show or movie you want to manage. Then choose Remove from Library. This stops future recordings of that program and removes the saved content when it expires. Step 4. Manage series recordings for TV shows. You can turn off recording for an entire series by selecting the show and toggling Add to Library to Off. Step 5. Check expiration dates. YouTube TV automatically stores recordings for up to 9 months. Tap on any video to see how much time is left before it expires. Step 6. Organize by category. Use filters like shows, movies, sports, and events to stay organized. That's it. Your DVR is now cleaner, easier to navigate, and fully optimized.